Yes, I'm Doris Bunying. I bought 3 capilla plans before. It's a cremation plan, I think. And I bought it in cash. I was able to contact your company very fast. No queue, unlike other funeral services wherein we have to call them many times before we will be able to contact them. And they're very fast in the transactions. They have few questions they ask me. They just ask me if I have the policy, ask me my name, and that's it. They ask me to come over if I'm ready so I can submit the policy. Yeah, because I already bought a columbarium in Golden Haven a long time ago. I invested in it. So my thinking is to make my life simpler. If something went unexpectedly, I have to get a company wherein I can easily use their services without using a complicated way. Like when in your company, the funeral plan is nearby the columbarium, so that makes my life more easy and comfortable, especially with that kind of scenario. Actually, the real reason why I chose the Golden Future Life plan is because the company is really a very trusted company because it's under the Villar Group of companies. So it's more of trust. And I'm confident that the value of the investment that I did will flourish. Yeah, it's very superb, excellent. I don't have any complaint, especially the staff are very friendly, they are very warm, and I really like the cleanliness of the whole facility. It's very clean, no smell. Kasi it's very important may malinis. Tapos everything is nice, no? Especially with that kind of scenario na namatayan ka, tapos ang babait ng mga taong kausap mo, very supportive. Malaking bagay po yun. Saka maganda naman talaga ito. Maganda naman ang facilities ko talaga. It's worth the price. Of course, I tried it twice na. So, personal experience ko is talagang it's really worth the price. Ang ganda po ng ambience. Inaalagaan talaga nila yung kanilang services na ino-offer nila sa clients. It's world-class naman. So that's one of the things na nagustuhan. Very class. Buying a plan in advance is really very, very important kasi parang ine-express mo na yung love mo sa mga family members mo because every one of us will soon expire, di ba? So what is important is pinaghahandaan mo yung expiration ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Maganda yung at least nakapag-prepare ka na in advance since talaga namang kailangan talaga natin bumili ng funeral life plan.